Hello children, I hope all of you are fine and taking precautions to protect yourself against COVID-19. Yes? Yes. Along with that, you are even going through the videos and understanding it properly. Yeah, so today let us start with the part 2 of lesson number 1, Plant Life, class 2. Okay? So yes, before we start, I want everyone to take few seconds and recollect what we have learned in the part 1. Yes, in the part 1, we have learned that how the plants will grow, how they differ from their shapes as well as size, and what are trees, what are shrubs. So today we will learn what are herbs and what are climbers. Okay, yes, let us start. Herbs. Herbs are short, non-woody plant. They have thin and soft green stems. So these herbs are like short and it does not contain wood. That's why this is called as what? Herbs. So herbs are nothing but these are those plants which does not have wood and they are short plants. So they are even thin and soft green stems. They are very thin, patle, and they have their stems are very soft. Okay, they are very soft. So that's why they are called as what? Herbs. A banana is a tall plant, but it is a herb. Many herbs live just for one season. Within one season, they grow to their full size, produce flower and fruits. So banana is a tall plant. Okay, have you ever seen banana plant? That banana plant is very tall plant, but it is a herb. Why it is a herb? क्योंकि उसके जो stems है वो बहुत soft है and it does not contain wood. Just take the difference between a wood and a stem. जो wood होता है वो बहुत hard है. It is very hard and it will take much time to break that wood. But if a stem is there, it is very soft and it can be easily broken. Okay, that is the difference between the stem and wood. And if a plant contains a soft stem, that is called as what? Herbs. Example is the banana plant. It is very tall but still it is a herb. And the special quality of the herb plant is that these are the seasonal plant. They take one season and in that season only they will grow, they will give flowers and they will give fruits. So it is just a seasonal plant. Okay, for example अगर कोई herb plant जैसा कि summer में grow होता है, so that plant will not grow in the winter season. They will grow in a summer season. They will give fruits in that season and they will even give flowers in that season only. And whole year they cannot, that plant again cannot be grown. So summer season plant can be grown in a summer season and again winter seasonal plant can be grown in a winter season only. So coming back to herbs, herbs are nothing but which is non-woody plant whose stem are very soft like structure. Examples are given over here: banana, mint, maize, spinach. Banana, mint, maize, spinach. So these are the four examples of herb plants. They does not have a wood stem, but they have a stem that is very soft. Okay, that is very soft. So that's why they are called as what? Herbs. Next is what? Climbers. As the name itself says, climbing. Climbers is nothing but the climbing. नाम से ही पता लगता है climbers means climbing from one place to another place. Okay, the climbing. Many of them have a habit to climb like the mountains. They will climb mountains also. Okay, similarly there is a climbing plant that are called as what? Climbers. So let us see what is there. Climbers have weak stems. They cannot stand erect, so they need a support to stand. They climb with the help of tendrils or by twinnings. Some climbers like pea live for one season only. Others like money plant can live for many years. Yes, so climbers they will have very weak stem. Very weak stem in the sense अगर कोई तेज हवा आ गई so might भी हो सकता है कि वो climber का stem टूट जाए. Or we can easily even broken with our hands. Okay, so that's why climbers stems are very weak and they cannot stand erect. Erect in the sense straight. Okay, climbers cannot stand straight. They can just climb, they can roll it on and they can climb from one to another part. So they need a support to stand, and what support they will see? They take the support of this. See this one. This is like a wood-like structure. They take the help of tendrils. This is also called as what? Tendrils. Okay, and again they will take by twinning, by rolling. Some climbers like pea live for one season only, others like money plant can live for many years. So climbers have two types of plant. One plant can live only for one season, whether it is a summer season, whether it is a winter season, or whether it is a rainy season. But some climber plant can live for many years. Okay, so there are two types of climbers plant. One which can live only for one season, and another plant which can live for many seasons. Is that clear? So let us see what the climber means. So for example, climber plant ka ye hai, it's like a wood stem. Okay, so this is nothing but these are what? Tendrils. So the climber plant's leaves will just roll on like this. Totally पूरे उसके चारों साइड पे वो रोल करता है. Like how you will have a thread. Okay, have you ever seen a thread? Yes, वो thread का जो धागा रहता है वो पूरा roll on करता है. एक ही उतने level में rolls होते हैं. Similarly, this is also a climber plant. Okay, so this climber plant is just roll. This is the tendril and it can roll like this. Okay, why it is rolling? Because their stems are very weak, and so that's why they cannot stand erect, they cannot stand straight. So that's why they will roll like this. They take the support of this tendrils so that they can stand, so that they can lie on that plant. Okay, so yes, with this we have completed our lesson part 1, part 2, lesson number 1, plant life. So next I'll give you question answers for this lesson and we'll complete the objective part also. Okay children, till then go through this full lesson, understand it, read this lesson. Again we'll meet with the objective and question answers. Till then, goodbye, take care.